Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Amazon Associates link building inside blog posts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize Amazon Associates link building inside your blog posts, begin by logging into your Amazon Associates account. Once logged in, navigate to the product linking section on your dashboard. Select the SiteStripe option from the menu. Enable SiteStripe if it is not already activated. Now, go to any Amazon product page you wish to promote. You will see the SiteStripe toolbar at the top of the page. Choose whether you want to create a text link, image link, or a combination of both. For a text link, click on Get Link next to the product title. Copy the HTML code provided in the pop-up window. Now, open your blog post editor where you want to insert the link. Paste the HTML code directly where you want the link to appear. For an image link, click on the Image tab in the SiteStripe. Customize the image size if desired, and then copy the provided HTML code. Navigate back to your blog post editor. Paste the HTML code for the image link in the desired location. Once you have added your links, ensure they fit seamlessly into your content. After your links are in place, check for any broken links by previewing your post. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure the links work correctly. Finally, publish or update your blog post to make your Amazon Associates links live. Monitor your links regularly to ensure they continue to perform well and comply with Amazon's guidelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.